Hello Year 4, it's Miss Bellis here again. I hope you're well. And today we're going to carry on our learning on decimals and looking at how to divide whole numbers by 10. So here is our in focus. We have 3 bars of chocolate and 10 children. Looks like we've got the whole gang here today. And we are asked, 10 children share 3 bars of chocolate equally. What fraction of a chocolate bar does each child get? Have a think. How can we do this? What do you notice about the bars of chocolate? That's right. Each bar of chocolate has been divided into 10 blocks, or tenths. And here we can see this here. So when we are dividing 3 by 10, we need to divide each whole into 10 parts and then give each part to each child. Each child will get a tenth from each bar. So Hannah here gets a tenth from this bar, and this bar. And as you can see, she gets 3/10. So let's look at a number sentence that shows us this. 3 divided by 10 is 3/10. And here we have it written as a decimal. What do you notice about what's happened to the number 3? It started in the ones place, but when it was divided by 10, it moved. It's ended up in the tenths place. So here we have another problem. It asks us, what if 10 children share 23 sheets of art paper equally among themselves? What's the same about this question, and what's different? How can we use what we've just learned to help us? We know that in order to divide by 10, we're going to need to split the whole numbers into tenths. But do we need to split all of them? Now Ravi here has had an idea. He's partitioned the number into tens and ones. 23 has given us 20 and 3. Now he knows that 20 divided by 10 is 2. And then he just needs to split the 3 into tenths, just like we did with the chocolate bars, giving us 0.3. Then he can put it back together. 2 plus 0.3 gives us 2.3. We can see this calculation in a picture up here. Here's our 20 whole sheets of paper. 20 divided by 10 is 2. And here are our 3 sheets, or ones. And you can see they've been split into tenths. And there are 1, 2, 3 tenths. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 3 divided by 10 is 0.3. We can also see this on a place value chart. What can you see here? What has happened? Our 23 sheets of paper have started here, 2 in our tens column and 3 in our ones column. When they're divided by 10, they've moved. Now suddenly the 2 is in the ones column and the 3 is in the tenths column. What do you notice when a number is divided by 10? Give it a try. What is 46 divided by 10? 52 divided by 10? Or 16 divided by 10? Have a go and see what you notice. Here's our guided practice, and you can see that we need to, the first question is to divide 8 by 10. Remember when we did this with the chocolate bars? There are now 8 that need to be split into 10. And here we're looking at a 2-digit number, 42 divided by 10. Have a go and see what you notice. So here we have the worksheet, and we need to fill in the blanks. First one's been done for you. 1 divided by 10 gives us 1/10. And then you need to write it as a decimal, 0.1. And here we get to our 2-digit numbers, 18 divided by 10. You'll need to put how many ones, how many tenths, and then write it as a decimal. For question 2, we're looking at how Hannah divides, and she is partitioning the number, just like Ravi did earlier. So she splits her 14 here into 10s and 1s, giving her 10 and 4. Then she just needs to divide 10 by 10 and 4 by 10 and put them back together. And you need to use her method to complete this part of the worksheet. Here we have 29 divided by 10. So 20 divided by 10, 9 divided by 10. Put them together and your answer here. All the answers will need to be in decimals. So here you have your answers to question 1. And here are your answers to question 2. As always, the guided practice, the worksheet and the answers will be on the website. And also, as always, we would love to see your maths work, so do send it in. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you have a really lovely day and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.